Hi, I'm Brandon. We're up here in Frisco, Texas, and we're at the Frisco Visual Performing Arts Center. Welcome to the site visit. One thing that's unique about this job, I would say, is just the high-level finishes we have kind of all over the place. I think we'll get something installed and there's so many different ways to look at the finishes we have and decide what we should do in certain areas so that it all looks the way the architect wants.
We had a giant scaffold system, and so we had it up for probably close to 6 months of people doing ductwork and then the fire sprinkler and then all the theatrical rigging and all the electrical. That was over 6 months of hard work of people on a scaffold system getting it all there.
We use DroneDeploy for the flight plans when we fly, just to get overall progress pictures of the site so that we can present those when we have meetings and things like that. And then we also use the ground application for just gradual progress.
On my very first job, we just had a folder labeled photos. So this is a tool that the whole team can use and use very efficiently, and it's an effortless capture.
DroneDeploy, it's been an asset for sure. We fly weekly to get progress pictures, mostly for the owner. They like to see them weekly, I think, for the board updates, and then just for general progress for us, so we can go back in time, see when RTUs were set, see when utilities were in, helps with payout verification, seeing what line, how far they actually got that month.
We can get hundreds of photos uploaded within like an hour or two onto the DroneDeploy site, and from there distribute the entire progress of our project. We're just even trying to track roof progress super high up. You know, we can't always be getting up there every moment, but it's easy to see what our guys have done up there by having that high angle and checking it. Without DroneDeploy, you have a photo album or like a photos app that has pictures from forever ago, and they're all just random things of the project. You definitely took the documentation down, but it's not organized in a way that you can go click on a part of the project and say, okay, I'm looking at this in a 3D format. Like you just have to hope that you can find the right picture of certain things that you're trying to track, you know?
Instead of going back to look at daily reports from the superintendent, I can rely on the drone captures to have all the information in one spot. I don't have to go and look at daily reports. I can go look at the streamlined tools that DroneDeploy offers to be able to quickly access like high quality information.
I think people overestimate how much time it takes. Realistically, just for the drone piece, 30 minutes to an hour to fly it once a week, which in the grand scheme of a 40-hour work week is really not that much. It's not as big of a burden as people may imagine.
Yeah.
And then now you have it all and it's there and to be used however you need.
Hey, thanks for joining us on the site visit. The Joeris team's really excited to turn this building over and have all the performances that are going to happen here, make lots of memories. Hope you learned something. We'll see you on the next one.